Hello friends, welcome to DG Question Bank. Today we are sharing with you another video of 20 very important questions of AIBE for your upcoming AIBE 18 exam. So let's start. Question number 1. Section 156(1) of Criminal Procedure Code imports the general principles as laid down in. The options are option A, Section 154 to 173, option B, Section 177 to 189, option C, Section 190 to 203, option D, Section 224 to 235. The right answer is option B, Section 177 to 189. Question number 2. Goods displayed in a shop with a price tag is an. The options are option A, offer, option B, counter offer, option C, invitation to offer, option D, none of the above. The right answer is option C, invitation to offer. Question number 3. Every promise and set of promises forming the consideration for each other is. The options are option A, a promise, option B, a contract, option C, a reciprocal promise, option D, an agreement. The right answer is option D, an agreement. Question number 4. A, being entitled to an estate for the life of B, agrees to sell it to C. B was dead at the time of agreement, but both parties were ignorant of the act. The agreement is. The options are option A, void, option B, voidable, option C, valid, option D, not voidable. The right answer is option A, void. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a right of civil nature? The options are option A, caste and religion, option B, right to services which are honorary and gratuitous, option C, bridge jijmani rights, option D, both A and B. The right answer is option D, both A and B. Question number 6. Under Criminal Procedure Code, the rights to be informed of the grounds of arrest is recognized by. The options are option A, Section 50, 57 and 73, option B, Section 50, 55 and 75, option C, Section 50 only, option D, Section 55 only. The right answer is option B, Section 50, 55 and 75. Question number 7. The police custody granted under Section 167 CRPC cannot be more than. The options are option A, 90 days, option B, 60 days, option C, 30 days, option D, 15 days. The right answer is option D, 15 days. Question number 8. When investigation is done by a subordinate officer, he shall report it to. The options are option A, the officer in charge of police station, option B, the court of session, option C, the high court, option D, the chief judicial magistrate. The right answer is option A, the officer in charge of police station. Question number 9. X, a magician agrees with Z to discover treasure by magic. The agreement is. The options are option A, voidable at the option of Z, option B, illegal, option C, impossible in itself, option D, enforceable. The right answer is option C, impossible in itself. Question number 10. Fines in some month's case shall not exceed. The options are option A 100 rupees, option B 50 rupees, option C 200 rupees, option D 500 rupees. The right answer is option A 100 rupees. Question number 11. A dies leaving behind a son X and a married daughter Y. A suit filed by A after his death can be continued by. The options are option A X alone as legal representative, option B Y alone as legal representative, option C X, Y and the husband of Y as legal representatives, option D X and Y both as legal representatives. The right answer is option D X and Y both as legal representatives. Question number 12. Arrest of persons is dealt under. The options are option A chapter 3rd, option B chapter 4th, option C chapter 5th, option D chapter 6th. The right answer is option C chapter 5th. Question number 13. Which of the following is the most common remedy for breach of contract? The options are option A damages, option B specific performance, option C injunction, option D none of the above. The right answer is option A damages. Question number 14. Principle of res judicata applies. The options are option A between co-defendants, option B between co-plaintiffs, option C both A and B, option D neither A nor B. The right answer is option C both A and B. Question number 15. Objection as to the place of suiting. The options are option A can only be taken before the court of first instance at the earliest possible opportunity, option B can be taken before the appellate court for the first time, option C can be taken before the court of revision for the first time, option D all of the above. The right answer is option A can only be taken before the court of first instance at the earliest possible opportunity. Question number 16. Any police officer without a warrant may arrest a person. The options are option A who has been concerned in any non-cognizable offence, option B who has in his possession with lawful excuse any implement of housebreaking, option C who obstructs a public officer while in the execution of his duty, option D who is a released convict. The right answer is option C who obstructs a public officer while in the execution of his duty. Question number 17. A decree can be. The options are option A preliminary, option B final, option C either preliminary or final, option D only final and not preliminary. The right answer is option C either preliminary or final. Question number 18. Under Order 5th, Rule 9(3) of CPC, summon to defendant can be served through. The options are option A courier services, option B fax messages or electronic mail services, option C either A or B, option D neither A nor B. The right answer is option C either A or B. Question number 19. When can a magistrate convert a summons case into a warrant case? The options are: option A, if the offence is punishable with not more than 6 months. Option B, if the magistrate is of opinion that interest of justice would be served. Option C, can never convert a summons case into a warrant case. Option D, A and B is correct. The right answer is option D, A and B is correct. Question number 20. Exception of the section 26 of the Indian Contract Act is. The options are: option A, goodwill. Option B, gift. Option C, arbitration agreement. Option D, child marriage. The right answer is option D, child marriage. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share.